Hello everybody, today you will see episodes about driving fails, how to not drive, and bad drivers. Hillside, Illinois. Driver in the gray pickup truck was trying to turn left, but didn't realize he was in the wrong lane until he seen oncoming traffic coming his way. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Southbound US 129 in Maryville, Tennessee. Slidell, Louisiana. A driver traveling southbound on Robert Boulevard in Slidell used a northbound lane as a turning lane. Happened in Nelamangala Toll Road near Bengaluru. I had some 2 to 3 seconds time to react. Looking back, I might have slowed down a bit as well. North Glen, Colorado. This happens a lot here at this intersection. I am always ready for it. This guy really messed it up. Main highway going through downtown Kelowna, British Columbia. Small red SUV cuts across 3 lanes and comes to a complete stop in the fast lane wanting to turn left. Hermantown and Minnesota Maple Grove Road. Old woman driving the Escape didn't even check the mirror before changing lanes. The Muppet in the Renault is in the right turn lane, then decides he wants to go straight ahead and just pushes his way in.
Why do these people just let them in? Why wouldn't you force the issue? They're doing something completely stupid.
Happened in Roseland, New Jersey at the intersection of Eagle Rock Avenue turning onto Eisenhower Parkway. Driver cuts me off then heads into oncoming traffic. Poland, from the center lane to the right.
Arden?
Not sure what happened. He went through the fence to get in there and came out the same way. Possibly stolen vehicle.
The fuck?
San Jose, California. A bad driver in GMC SUV paid no attention to us and jumped 2 lanes to take an exit.
But after
I had to get police involved to track her down to get insurance info because she fled scene. Luckily, dashcam got plate. I didn't press chargers. Would have been a mess.
just like lift it. Yeah, you can put it.
East Albuquerque on Central Avenue, U-Haul truck thinks his turn signal makes it okay to come on over.
Fucking idiot.
Yo.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. What episode do you remember most? Write in the comments.